Okay, now that I've mirrored my pins and joined them together, I am going to extrude an opening on the face of through the face of my end hinge over here. And as you can see here, they use construction lines to find the center, to pinpoint the middle of that face and locate the circle there before you extrude it. So that's what we're going to do. Also, one of the things that they did is they made the material transparent, the hinge transparent, so that it's um, easy to see. I'm also gonna make this go away because they're all distractions right now. I just want to focus on this. Alright, if I want to make this transparent, all I need to do is open the menu here. You're either gonna right click on a computer mouse, on a desktop mouse, or you're gonna double finger tap on your touchpad and you're gonna click appearance. Or on your iPad, you click on that little menu option. Now, right above RGB, you're gonna see the alpha value, and that's what makes that color go solid or transparent. So I want to leave it about the middle, like semi-transparent, just a little bit, not a lot. All right. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to figure out where my center is, the center of that plane. So I'm gonna sketch out some lines, and to do that, I'm going to click Sketch. I'm going to click on the face of the flat part, which is where I want to locate my circle. I'm going to click my line. I'm going to make sure that they're construction lines, and then it's automatically going to snap to the center. If I click anywhere by the center of that line, it's going to snap to the center. Again, it's going to do the same thing here. And same thing is going to happen. I'm going to unclick the line because I want to make sure that that line doesn't go diagonally across to the next point. And again, I'm going to click on that point and the point right across. So now I know exactly where this, oh, see, this is what happens when you don't unclick the line. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, so now I know exactly where the center of that is. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create my circle, and it's going to snap right at the intersection, and I'm going to make it, I'm going to change that diameter, so it doesn't matter how big I make it. It just matters that I make it. I'm going to click circle. Alright, so let me check my dimensions. The diameter was supposed to be 0.25, okay. And it's supposed to be an height of 0.5 inches to the end of the hinge. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on dimensions, I'm going to click on the circle, and I'm going to say, wait, what happened? It disappeared. Nice. Okay, 0.25. Boom. Yeah, that happens every now and then. You click on something and it goes away, and whatever, just keep trying, keep working on it. Alright, so now we have our circle set to the dimension that they want us to set it. Then it says, extrude a cylinder with diameter and height 0.5 inches into the end hinge. Make sure the extrude is a new part and rename the part in the parts list shaft. Note the fully constrained sketch. Okay, that's some rhetorical questions right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to extrude that part, and I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to click on that menu. I'm going to click extrude. I'm going to automatically click it because I think I already had the option selected. Now I'm going to do new, so it changes color, and obviously I'm going to go the other way. And over here I'm going to go to, let me double check that. It's 0.5 inches. So 0.5 inches. Boom. And there we go. We have our opening there. And let's see. see if we have this correctly. Yep. Solid new faces sketch. Blind 5. Okay. So right now that's what we have, and we're good to go to the next step. I gotta click OK.